Hello, followers of my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's tutorial on QSWAT. Okay, I think we have seen about SWAT model in the last videos, and now today we will see some special feature which is called QSWAT. Okay, it has some special feature other than that of SWAT model, which is about the database. So it is better to use this type of models in addition to that of SWAT model, or we can use in collaboration with SWAT. Yeah. Therefore, in this tutorial we will see about handling QSWAT using QGIS. Okay, so we have actually this important softwares. Okay, you should have to install QGIS as well as QSWAT, and also there is SWAT cap calibration models. Yeah, therefore you should have to install this SWAT cap editor, a SWAT cap setup, as well as QSWAT in order with collaborations of this QGIS. So those are the data sets. We have climate data, yeah, for robot stations, as we have seen how to prepare data for a SWAT. That is similar with this one, yeah, nothing new here. So we should have to prepare our data in such a way, as well as we can prepare a lookup table for your data, as well as in similar way with that of the previous one. You can simply use the data prepared for SWAT with this SWAT plus. In addition, you can prepare the digital model or the DM, the land use, yeah, similarly with that of the previous one. Okay, so if you have this, we will see some additional details parallel to the modeling. Okay, so the first thing you should have to know is you should have to install this QGIS. Okay, QGIS and SWAT plus. So after you have installing those models, you can get SWAT plus under this plugin model. Yeah, I mean this under the plugin tool bar. So go to these plugins, and then go to this manage and install plugin. You see all what you want are here. For instance, we have installed this I have installed this QSWAT before, so I want to be visible here on the QGIS, so I can take this QSWAT and then can make close. You see, now you can have a SWAT plus model now under QGIS. You see, so after you have done your plugins, you can now start your modeling on SWAT plus. So the main important parameters that are required in modeling using QSWAT is similar to that of SWAT model. So simply you can just click on this SWAT, QSWAT, yeah. And the first thing here is you should have to create a project, yeah. As you remember, we can have a similar approach on SWAT. So to do that, let us select a new project, because we are approaching to create a new project here. So let me click on this new project, and I have created a new folder on this E, which is called QSWAT practical one. Should have to create somewhere, especially if your folder is local disk E or D. We can create that, and should have to give this one, yeah, to your SWAT model. So let me write it as QSWAT trial 1, the name of this QGIS trial 1, or we can practical 1, and say save. Yes, so we have created uh, a new project, and if you want to open the existing project, you can click on this existing project and you can load your previous project. Yeah, so the first step here in SWAT model is delineating your watershed. As you know from the previous tutorials, the first step in SWAT model is delineating watershed. Similarly, in this SWAT QSWAT, the first step here is delineating your watershed. And in order to delineate your watershed, you should have to prepare a digital elevation model, yeah, and an outlet for your watershed. So you need these two parameters. So the first step here is delineating watershed, and press on it. Okay, when you press that, this delineate watershed, you have asked to the first one is to select a digital elevation model. Okay, you should have to load your digital elevation model under this from the folder what I have showed before. Yeah, here are the digital elevation model. Here it is SRTM 30 by 30 meter resolution. Therefore click on this and go to the folder from desktop. Yeah, you can get from desktop. Yeah, under this sample dataset you can get the DM. Go to this SRTM 30 meter. Actually we may get say type of files when you open this file, I mean the folder. So you should have to select this hdr.adf, okay, in order to load the digital elevation model, and say open. Yeah, actually it is now opening your model, I mean your DM. And if you see here, we may have the DM now under the QGIS. Yeah, we can have this one. Okay, you can visualize your DM in such a way. Okay, you can see some information about the DM from this one. For instance, we may have this DM property. Yeah, you can see that the cell size is 30 by 30 meter, and the cell area here is 0.09. That means this one is we can convert to this one is in hectare. So the area of one cell is 0.09 hectare. Yeah, and you can see the extent in degree. The northern extent is up to 11.7, and the west is 30.4, 37.4, easting is 37.5, and the south is about 11.26. You see, in addition we can see some parameters here. Okay, we can burn your dim if you want, And the other thing here is putting threshold value for your area. For instance, if you want to delineate uh, once a watershed which has a cell size of this much, that means you can see the defined threshold area here is in square kilometer. You can get from this one. Let me convert it into hectare for now, and let me represent once a watershed using these 1000 cells. So we have 90 hectares for a certain sub-watershed. So we can create now streams using this one. We will see the difference under this. So if you say in such a way, create streams, I will see rivers or streamlines in the digital, I mean the DM. You see, now those are the streamlines. We are defining the streams, yeah. And if we decrease, if you decrease this one, this number, the number of, I mean the streamlines may be very large in number. For instance, let me give you this 500 and create a streamline. Okay, some small lines may be incorporated under this one. So for this tutorial, let me use 1000 and the hectare is 90, and let me create a streamline. And I want to delineate a watershed, so I need the outlets of the river. So you should have to add an outlet for the river. Here use an inlet or outlet shape file. So previously, as I have told you, there are prepared data for this one. So here is the main outlet. So we have a shape file here. Actually, using the from the Excel, we can prepare this shape file. Okay, should have to prepare the shape file. So let us add the outlets of the watershed under this, and go to this main outlet, and this one, the main shape. Okay, and say open. And if you see here, we may have now an outlet, but this outlet is not uh, under the river or the streamline. So we should have to give a distance, yeah, a distance here, snap threshold in meters. Okay, therefore you should have to put this snap threshold. For instance, the snap threshold, that means actually this the distance between from this one up to this one may not be 300. Under that case, this the SWAT model does not review or does not give us an outlet. For instance, let me say that reviews snapshot under this case. You see, cannot snap point this one in stream network within the threshold because the distance here is small. Yeah, the distance between the outlet and the streamline is very small. That is why it says this one. And let me give now 600. Yeah, 600. And let me review the snapshot. Yeah, you see, one snapped. That means I think you have seen this one. Now under this case, the outlet is aligned with that of the streamline. This one is the special features of the QSWAT rather than that of the SWAT model. Okay, so if you have seen this, let me create watershed, and now using this outlet we can now create our watershed boundaries, and we can visualize that. You see, we have this red type is our watershed. We can see the hillshades, and we can have this one, so we can have this watershed in such a way. I think it's very simple, yeah, to do this. Okay, and the other thing we can do here is we can merge sub basins. We can merge sub basins. For instance, your watershed may be uh, have a lot of sub watersheds or sub basins, so you may want to merge um, this sub basin and this sub basin as one sub watershed. Okay, as well as we may merge this one and this one with one sub watershed. So in that case, we can select sub watersheds, sub basins. For instance, let me show you here. Select the basins, and you see the cursor automatically converted, and press Ctrl in your computer and press this one, sub basins what you want. Yeah, after that go to this save. Yeah, then you should have to merge now. If you press that merge, you see the previous two sub watersheds are now considered as one sub watersheds. So we can do such special features in this QSWAT in such a way. In addition to that, we may have an access to add reservoirs and point sources. That means we may select subbasins in which the reservoirs are located. For instance, some dams may be built under some subbasins. If you have for instance a dam under this, okay, we may have a dam under this subbasin. We can give us this subbasin is which has a reservoir or a dam under this. Okay, we can provide in such a way. So we can do here under select reservoir subbasin, and we can add in such a way. Okay, so we can now say okay, we can do other things here. We can show this totem outputs, say the number of processes here. For now, let us stop the watershed delineation. You see, we can have now an access on seeing the numbers of subbasin. This one is subbasin number 1. You see, this is subbasin number 3, subbasin 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 subbasins, and actually we can see numbers of basins under say circumstances without further doing additional tasks like that of using this GIS and SWAT. Therefore, this is all about watershed delineation, and for today it is enough. We will see for the next tutorial about creating HRUs using this QSWAT under QGIS software. Okay, and today it is enough. thank you for your watching, and don't forget to share as well as subscribe my YouTube channel, which is Give Value for Water. And thank you for your time. Have a nice time. Bye.